Lost all your Cadillac SRX keys from 2004 to 2009? This video shows how to program new transponder keys yourself. These models use GM's Passkey 3 Plus system. While challenging, DIY is possible with the right equipment. These models use GM's Passkey 3 Plus system. While challenging, DIY is possible with the right equipment. You'll need an OBD2 scanner with GM software. Autel MaxiSys or OBD Star are recommended. A new compatible transponder key blank, part number AC Delco 1357135. Key blanks should be reusable. Your vehicle's VIN to get the 4-digit PIN code from a GM dealer or certified service. Always get the VIN. The PIN is a must-have. It's a factory security measure. Prerequisites. Ensure your battery is fully charged and there are no active DTC codes. Start by entering programming mode. Turn the ignition switch to the on or run position 10 times within 10 seconds. Next, insert your new blank transponder key into the ignition switch. Use your OBD2 scanner to connect to the vehicle's diagnostic port. This allows access to the security module. Connect to the vehicle's security module using the scanner. Input the PIN code you obtained, then follow the prompts to program the transponder. If the scanner fails to connect or program, check that your firmware is up to date and compatible with your SRX model. Common issues include wrong key blanks and outdated software. After successful programming, test the key by starting the vehicle to ensure it works properly.